We're going to be doing a Nerf War, and basically I'm doing it at my friend Tristan's house. And if you want to check out his YouTube channel, it's Tristan Troutman. And then there's my friend Isaac in red over there on the wagon. And his YouTube channel is Burrito Studios. And that's the thing. Already a dip. Got you. Oh no! Alright, Isaac says Burrito Boy's after me. And he has like a shotgun. Oh no! Got you on the waist just before. Yeah. So we both at?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's just go see if anyone else is in.
You have to be unarmed.
Well, we can't exactly be unarmed.
I'm unarmed.
Well, our hands are weapons, you know that. Basically, everything in our body can be used as a weapon.
Even your dick. Yeah. That would hurt. Man. I want another soda. Actually, I'm gonna find mine.
Alright, I'm just gonna go spectate. Oh yeah, Tristan's probably the only other person, pretty much. Since this is his house, he knows pretty much every part of the property. He could just be hiding out in the woods right now, maybe even eating a squirrel or something. We just wouldn't know. And then there's Isaac coming, as well to spectate. It's a nice property though. All kinds of trees and stuff. Hey, look, a little roo. Then there's all kinds of little debris, looks like. Yeah? Okay.
I am unarmed.
I know. Well, all of us except for him, since he's still in.
I'm 7. 7. 11.
Tristan could probably be anywhere right now.
He knows this property better than any of us.
But
I've been on his team for the past couple rounds, so
yeah.
I've got a pretty good idea where you went. Yeah, he's gonna probably make a U-turn. I would have set up there, because every time we come back here, I convince him to take a flank, and he always starts. No, Ray's got it. No, Ray's got it. Huh? Cookie came. He's just gonna try to go get Tristan. Go get Tristan. Go get Tristan. Go find Tristan. Find Tristan.
Wait, didn't?
I think this leads to another neighbor's yard. Never mind. I know where we're at.
Didn't someone say that there's like a secret way? Oh. Huh.
That's Tristan's house.
Then this isn't really much of a secret.
Well, nobody knows it's here. It's in the backwoods because that's the way to Tristan's house.
Well, you can see it from out there.
I mean, that's not Tristan's house.
I know.
This will take a loop around and execute and land in that same field.
So, who did you shoot, Isaac?
You.
Anyone else?
He's gonna go through. No, I'm pretty sure you were the only one I attacked.
I got 2 kills. I was
holding off. I was going more on a marksman.
I'm pretty sure I got Keegan. Like he was going around the side of the house, and I was waiting there.
Keegan got out like in the first 5 seconds.
Like you saw him come from out around the house. You saw him. That's where I got him.
Come here.
Oh boy. Neighbors' dogs. At least Tristan has a fence.
Shut your face, dog.
They probably don't understand English very well.
Well, bite me. Go find Tristan, please. Find Tristan. Well, he did it one time. He spotted all of you guys from right here.
I'm not sure we were going to be able to find Tristan unless he wants to be found.
This is right before we ate breakfast. This is what me and Tristan took here. And wait, how many people are still in? Me and Tristan.
No.
We need to find Tristan. Tristan's the only one back in.
Who knows where he is? I mean, remember that one time?
And, Devin.
I'm not sure if we'll be able to find Tristan.
Dude, all you have to do is hit him in the back of the head. Hey, Reese. Reese, bring us to Tristan. Tristan! Go get Tristan. He's over there. What are you?
Isaac, remember that one time we assembled a search party for Tristan?
Yeah.
And we only found him because he called for us. Because he got bored of just waiting there.
Where is Tristan? Tristan's over there. He's walking over there. See him? They're right there. Tristan. They're teaming up. Tristan, it's just you and Devin. They're teaming up.
Alright, if this video ends, just guess whoever wins in the comments and I'll tell you.
Oh, Jared's alive? Yeah. And we'll play. You're plotting on me. Why don't you guys just kill each other?
Guys, come on, shoot each other. We need to end this quickly.
No, Devin's still alive.
I know.
Shoot each other. End it. Are you still living?
Uh-oh, I think your gun is faulty.
I know that was poor. Meat shield.
Okay, so there's 3 people in.
No, these zombie bullets don't work well with them. Next time, aim at him. Just walk forward. Ah, shoot. What the crap? Devin's at a disadvantage right now. It's not fair. I got a shield.
I've just recorded the whole Nerf fight.
Well, I just went straight to the backyard and hit there.
Hang on. Hey guys. So Tristan, are you
No.
Are you recording?